Sometimes, a kitchen appliance quietly changes the way you cook, combining convenience, precision, and versatility in a way that makes everyday meals feel effortless. The Ninja Foodi Smart XL Grill is one of those rare countertop tools that, once you try it, becomes indispensable. Welcome to Buy with Confidence, where we focus on products that deliver real value, performance, and dependability. Today, we're reviewing the Ninja Foodi Smart XL Indoor Grill and Air Fryer, model FG551, in black and silver. This all-in-one device is designed for people who want the flavor and texture of outdoor grilling without leaving the kitchen, as well as those who appreciate multifunctionality in a single appliance. If you're someone who enjoys cooking steaks, chicken, vegetables, or preparing family meals efficiently, this grill is immediately relevant. The purchase link is in the description below. The Ninja Foodi Smart XL Grill combines cyclonic indoor grilling, air frying, roasting, baking, broiling, and dehydrating in one unit. It also includes the Smart Cook system with a dual-sensor thermometer, helping take the guesswork out of cooking protein to the desired doneness. This matters in its category because it delivers restaurant-style results indoors, reduces the need for multiple appliances, and keeps cleanup manageable with dishwasher-safe parts. Reason number 1. Cyclonic Indoor Grilling Performance. The 500 degrees Fahrenheit cyclonic air technology sears and char grills food evenly on the included grill grate, producing authentic grill marks and flavor. Unlike conventional indoor grills, it uses high-velocity airflow to cook efficiently, reducing flare-ups and ensuring consistent results every time. Reason number 2. Smart Cook System with Thermometer. The dual-sensor thermometer monitors both internal and ambient temperature, paired with 4 protein presets and 9 doneness levels. This precision allows you to cook steak, chicken, or fish to the exact level you prefer, eliminating guesswork and reducing overcooking. Reason number 3. 6-in-1 cooking versatility. Beyond grilling, the unit air fries, roasts, bakes, broils, and dehydrates. From crispy wings to tender roasted vegetables, it can replace multiple countertop appliances. This versatility simplifies your kitchen setup while expanding meal options. Reason number 4. XL family-sized capacity. The grill grate accommodates up to 6 steaks or 24 hot dogs, and the 4-quart air fryer basket handles larger batches of sides or fried favorites. This capacity is ideal for meal prepping, family dinners, or hosting friends, allowing you to cook mains and sides simultaneously. Reason number 5. Healthier frying options. Using the air fryer basket, you can achieve crispy, fried textures with up to 75% less oil than traditional deep frying. This is particularly beneficial for those focused on healthier cooking without compromising flavor or texture. Reason number 6. Smoke Control System. The Ninja Foodi Smart XL Grill incorporates a Splatter Shield, cool air zone, and temperature-controlled grill grate to minimize smoke. This allows for indoor grilling even in apartments or small kitchens without setting off alarms or creating lingering odors. Reason number 7. Easy to clean, durable design. The grill grate, crisper basket, and 4-quart cooking pot are all dishwasher safe. Combined with the included cleaning brush, this makes post-cooking cleanup straightforward. The sturdy, compact design ensures the appliance can be stored conveniently when not in use. Reason number 8. Ownership confidence and intuitive operation. The Smart XL Grill is designed for ease of use. Controls are straightforward, the smart thermometer guides cooking, and the included recipe book offers practical inspiration. Trusted by many 5-star reviewers, this appliance consistently delivers results that meet expectations for both novice and experienced cooks. Reason number 9. Time-saving meal preparation. With multi-zone cooking and precise temperature control, you can cook mains and sides simultaneously, reducing total cooking time. Whether preparing weekday dinners or weekend gatherings, this efficiency enhances daily routines without sacrificing quality. In final consideration, the Ninja Foodi Smart XL Grill is not just an indoor grill or air fryer, it is an integrated, versatile cooking solution. Its limitations include a relatively large footprint, which requires sufficient counter space, and a learning curve to maximize all 6 cooking functions. This appliance is best suited for home cooks who want professional quality indoor grilling, multifunctional air frying, and precision cooking with minimal fuss. If you value convenience, health-conscious cooking, and consistent results, the Ninja Foodi Smart XL Grill provides a thoughtful, dependable solution that elevates your home cooking experience.